In this tutorial, we propose a simple yet effective way to generate an ePub book from an Anki Deck. Whether you're looking to share your study materials, create a portable reference, or simply enjoy your flashcards in a more accessible format, this step-by-step guide will assist you in porting your digital flashcards into a refined ebook. To begin, we need to install and configure the basic printing support add-on in Anki. This add-on enables you to generate an HTML version of your flashcard deck. Once configured, you can export your Anki Deck as an HTML file. Simply navigate to the deck you wish to export and select the print option from the tool menu. This action will create an HTML file named print.html, which will be saved in your desktop folder and displayed in your browser for a quick preview. For a more detailed guide, please check the link in the description. With the HTML file prepared, the next step is to generate the ePub format using Pandoc. In this video, we utilize a simple PowerShell script to wrap Pandoc, the HTML style file, and the book cover for convenience. This approach also allows us to include title and author metadata. To preview the ePub file used in this example, please follow the link to the ePub previewer on our website. Thank you for watching the entire video. We would greatly appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our tech channel.